Hello everyone. Welcome to iMobi support channel. If you need to transfer iTunes contents from the iTunes library to computer, please just try AnyTrans. With simple clicks, you can make it. First, please launch AnyTrans. Then connect your iOS device to the computer via the USB cable. Once your iOS device is recognized, the interface below will display. Please select iTunes Library mode. And after the loading process completes, you can view all your iTunes contents on AnyTrans. You can not only add the iTunes contents from computer to device, transfer the iTunes contents between devices or to computer, but also delete and refresh the iTunes contents. Just take transferring music from iTunes library to computer as an example. After you choose the music you want to transfer, please click to PC button. Once transfer process completes, you will see Transfer Completed page. Please click View Files button to locate the music exported on computer.